Hello everyone. Welcome to another class of pronunciation lesson series in which you will learn how to clearly and correctly pronounce each of the 500 most frequently used words in the English language by knowing 10 words every day. So let's start and learn 10 words of today. The first word is your. As you can see, I have typed the word in the search box of online Cambridge Dictionary, and when I press the search button, it shows me pronunciation of British and American English. In this series, we are focusing on American pronunciation. The next word is when. When. The spellings are W-H-E-N. H is silent here. When. The next word is up. Up. Use. Use. Word. I've typed word in the search box and it shows me the pronunciation word. How. How. Said. Said. Am. Am. Each. Each. Notice the ending sound. It's ch. Each. She. She. Let's recap the pronunciation of 10 of the 500 most frequently used words in English language. Your. The first one is your. Second, when. Third, up. Fourth, use. Fifth, word. Sixth, how. Seven, said. Eight, and. Nine, each. 10, she. Thank you for watching, and please leave your feedback to improve my further lessons and cater to your individual needs. See you again, and bye-bye.